Peace and love, y'all. Nyiam here. Going to work a target here on the whiteboard. The target is 1752-9563. I'm completely blind to this target. No prior work has been done. Just going to bang out a little practice session here. So we're going to probe these for some low-level data now. Visuals. I see something circular. Sounds. I got like a shh. Smells. Temperatures. Warm. Textures. Slick. Stuff. I'm seeing again this kind of circular feature. Sounds, I get blowing, smells and tastes, temperatures associated with the site, warm, textures associated with the site. I get wet, or it might be just fluid dynamics. Stop. We'll do one more here. 1752-9563. Kind of seeing three sounds: a hiss, smells and tastes, temperatures, warm, textures would be, I get airy. Stop. Do some recall. 1752-9563. Yeah, I'm seeing something up here. Sounds. Again, I get kind of like a whoosh, a whoosh. Smells and tastes. Temperatures. Get warm. Textures would be, I get airy. A sense of an upwards motion. Hot. You know when hot air rises? Stop. 1752-9563. Sounds. Smells and tastes. Temperatures associated with the site. Get warm. Textures would be, I don't know if this is connected. One 1752-9563. Something here, and then sounds. Get like a hum. Smells and tastes. Temperatures. Warm. Textures would be, you get like a, it might be like a cable or a rope, but a sense of some tension that is taut maybe at some times, and other times more slack. Okay, so my S3 bringing this all together. I'm getting this sense of something. I don't know how this goes together, but a sense of. I don't know how this goes. Airy, blowing, whooshing. Slick, hot and warm. Sense of tension and slack in some instances, and I don't know, at one point I got the sense of maybe like a rising sensation. Rising. So this is my S3. So structure 1. S-T-R-U-C-T-U-R-E-1. Something down low, and then I see something trailing up, like release, cast, man-made, like temperatures, warm. Sounds would be yeah, I get a sense of a release, like something's getting released, and something blowing, moving, flapping. And I get a sense of airborne, so maybe something being released up into the air there. Almost feels like a demonstration, even a bit scientific. I don't know if it's a test, but circumstances, conditions, maybe even something to do with the weather. Let's go structure 2. Structure 2. Here I see something rounded, and I get air conditions, height, not a frisbee, but like a sense of air resistance. specified. Blowing sound. Why would we be looking at this? Like up high. Up high. Anomaly. Almost feels like a test run. You get air catcher. Air catcher. Feels thin. You know, some parts feel pretty thin. Circular feature. Up high. Bright. Looks very like a very bright object from down below. That's what I'm getting there. Circular feature. Up high. Bright. Looks very like a very bright object from down below.